Give it to me. I'll do it. Just give it to me.
Your mom's... My heart's already like about to go out. Well, this will knock my heart back in when I go out.
Strap it on.
No.
Just give it to me. Chicken, give it to me if you're not going to do it. Just do it. Give me the control. Let's see. What is the problem?
It shocks you!
You don't know that it does, but you won't put it to you.
It might not do it for a human because it beeps.
Give me that thing. I want to try it. Just give it to me.
Did you hear it beep?
No, did it?
My legs are tingling.
Are they yours?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Did you hear it beep? I did.
Get on here.
Okay.
Good hurt? Swelling.